This is the tray insert. You'll see in a moment. Here. Let's just snap this together. Okay? Right there. Right there. So easy. Let's get a pan, water pan. There we go. 1, 2, 3. We are assembled. Lift it, put it in your barbecue grill, your gas grill, your oven. Everything drips into the pan. You get all the benefits of a water pan in your smoker, which means it holds the heat retention, and maintains humidity. There it is. 5 racks of ribs go right in there, folks. All right, folks, we're going to continue. I got 5 racks of ribs that we're going to set up and prepare later, but let me just put them into the Skorr rib rack and water combo, and show you how it all works. See, pretty darn good, huh? And, 3, 4, and 5. It's early morning. We're going to get these ready for today and do a cookout this afternoon. All right, that's it. Of course, you add water, about a ½ inch of water, inch of water. Now you've got your water pan doing all those good things. Yeah, everything's going to drip down in there. And your grill is going to be spotless. One final note, and that is the second water pan we include. Why is that? You know, in case maybe you take one of those forked utensils and you puncture your pan, you don't have to go driving 15 minutes to the store to get another one. But there's another important reason, and that is when you reach the stall where the temperature stalls 160, 170, it just won't move, it won't get to the next spot. This helps you get through the stall. Just go like this. Okay, folks? That's so easy. All right? I believe that helps you get through the stall. It's something I have to study and document, but in my own barbecuing casually, I know it helps. And also, isn't this just like doing the wrap? Sometimes people like to do an aluminum foil wrap. Well, here you go. It's the same thing. All the smoke, if you're smoking, or if you got your gas grill and you're using a little smoker box, all the smoking is absorbed at the beginning of the cook when the meat is coming up to temperature. That's the majority of the smoke absorption. So later on, maybe you want to protect your meat from the high heat coming from your smoker box. This is a good way to do it. Voila. All right, folks. Enjoy. And thank you for considering our product.